For this type of problem, when you have interval, you have to use the concept of finding out the mid value first and then the deviation as xi minus a, whatever you take as assumed mean, divided by h. That will be the class size. Okay. So first we will find out what is the mid value x. Mid value is xi. So what will be that? 15. So that will be the mid value of this one, that is 0 plus 30 by 2. Okay. So then 15, 45, 75, then 105, then 120 to 150 will give you the midpoint as 135, 150 to 180 will give you 165, and 180 to 210 will give you, how much it will be? 195. Okay, so mid values you got. Now what you need? You have to get di, or you can say di is actually xi minus a when you use deviation only. Now first you have to choose your assumed mean and make it as either yi or ui, which is equal to xi minus a by h. Now what you are choosing as your a will be a middle term, which is conveniently, if you have two middle terms, anyone you can choose. Here it is the perfect middle, so 105 we will choose as a. So this is your a. Okay, so I can replace here as 105. Now calculate what is yi. Yi is xi minus 105, that is 15 minus 105 divided by h. H what you will choose? 30. So here itself you can write it as 30. Okay, now calculate what all values you will get. It will be giving you, divide by 30 will give you negative 3, just check, minus 3, then you will get minus 2, then it is minus 1, here it will be 0, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, these are the values you are getting when you are using the step deviation method. This is your step deviation method. So this is, we are just using the shortcut method. Okay, so this is your step deviation method. Now what all values you want? In order to get your x bar, or which is mean, this is mean, x bar, this will be equal to what when you are using this method? What is your mean? A plus h into sigma fi xi. Here instead of xi you will have yi by sigma fi or capital N. Okay, now what is that capital N? The sum of these frequencies. How much you are getting? How much is this? The total is 30. Okay, now you have to replace here a. A is your assumed value which you have taken here, assumed mean, then h. H again it is 30. The class size you have taken 30. So it is 30 into sigma fi ui, right? So one column which will be fi yi, ui or yi. Okay, here I have written yi, so it is fi yi. This is fi, this is yi. You have to multiply these and you have to get the total here. So what all you are getting? Minus 6, minus 6, minus 5, 0, 3, 10, 6. What is the sum of all these? Negative, positive and all you cancel and you will get only 2. This is the value you are getting as sigma fi yi. So here you can replace it 2. Divide by what is again n? It is 30. So 30 get cancelled here. So 105 plus 2, which is 107. Okay. So it is 107. I am just directly writing 107. Now what you have to find out? Variance. Mean is over. Variance. Now for variance, what all you need? What is the formula in which you can find out variance? Okay, what is the difference in the formula? What you will have? Variance or sigma square is equal to, the only thing which is extra fitting here will be h square. If it is sigma, it will be h into the remaining whatever you have done in the earlier problem, the same formula. Here again fi xi will be replaced with fi yi and fi yi square. So here you need one more column which is fi yi square. So first we will find out yi square and fi yi square. These are the two columns extra fitting for your variance. Okay, so here the formula will become h square by n square into n into sigma fi yi square minus sigma fi yi the whole square. Okay, this is the formula for your variance. Now we will find out these two columns and the total of fi yi square and replace the value here. Yi square 9 4 1 0 1 4 9. Now again with fi you have to multiply. Which one? Yi square. So 18, 3 into 4, 5 into 1, 10 into 0, 3 into 1, 4 into 5 and 2 into 9, which is 18. Now what is the sum of this? That is, here you need to replace it. So what is the value which you are getting? Sum. Just check what is the total value which you are getting. Is it 76? Yes, perfect. 76. Now replace here h square. H is again 30. N is also 30. H square and n square actually will get cancelled because they have the same value. It will be 30 square by 30 square. So 900 by 900 gets cancelled. You will get only this value. Okay. 30 square by 30 square again getting cancelled into n 30 into sigma fi yi square 76 minus fi yi. Fi yi is 2. So 2 square which is 4. So you are getting only this much of value. 30 into 76 will give you how much? 2280 minus 4. So you will get it to be 2276. Correct? So this is your variance. So first in this question, continuous frequency distribution you have to make. So here again it is the class interval. Subtract 0.5 will give you 32.52. Here add 0.5, it will give you 36.5. Again here subtract, it will give you 36.5. Here it will become 40.5. Then 40.5 to 44.5, 44.5 to 48.5, 48.5 to 52.5. Now you can see it is continuous. Fi is same, no change. Now the next thing which you need is mid value, mid xi. What is the mid value for this? 32.5 to 36.5 will give you the mid as 34.5. Then 36.5 to 40.5 will give you 38.5. Next 42.5. Next 46.5 and the last one is 50.5. So these are the mid xis. Now what you need? Next column will be, again you have to just think which all steps you have. Here again you have to find out mean and variance. Mean means x bar formula, what it will be. So first you need to choose what is your assumed mean. In shortcut method we are doing, so this is A. So you will have the formula as A plus h into sigma fi xi divided by n. N is again the sum of all these frequencies. Okay, so A has been taken. That means again we will see whether h has to be taken. Here you have the interval, means interval, in interval you have to take that h. You will get a common thing, okay, for all the values when you subtract. So that common also we are removing from those values. So here first you need to find out, suppose it is yi is equal to xi minus a, which is 42.5 divided by h. H is again what? 36.5 minus 32.5 will give you 4. Okay. So from here you will not get that correctly. That is the main thing. Okay. After making it continuous, then only you need to find out the class size h. So here you are getting 4. Right. Now you do the problem, or you find out all the values. Xi minus 42.5. So 34.5 minus 42.5 divided by 4. What is the first value which you are getting? Is it minus 2? After dividing it by 4, you are getting minus 2. Then next one will be minus 1. Next 0. Next one 1 and next one 2. Right? So the values have become simple. Now the calculation will become easy. Now what all you need? Here you want, okay, here it is Fi_yi, right? This will become a plus h into sigma Fi_yi by n. Now what is Fi_yi? Calculate. This is yi, Fi_yi. This is your Fi, this is yi. Multiply minus 30, minus 17, 0, 22 and 50. What is the total of Fi_yi? How much you are getting? 25. 25. So that we can calculate x bar or mean. A is 42.5 plus h. H is how much? 4. H is equal to 4 and we have not calculated n. What is n equal to or sigma Fi equal to? How much you are getting the total here? 100. Okay. So now we can replace the values. H4 into sigma Fi_yi is 25 by n 100. So this will go 25 into 4 and 100 will go, and what is the value then? 40. 40. This will give you 1, okay, not 0. This is cut. So it is actually 42 point. In a hurry burry, don't write it as 42.5. This is 42.5 plus here 1. So it is 43.5. So this is your x bar or mean. Now you need sigma square or variance. Variance or standard deviation, calculate the standard deviation and mean diameter. So whatever they are saying, mean diameter is same as mean. So mean diameter is this one and standard deviation is sigma, that is the square root of whatever you are getting for the variance. Okay. So first thing which we have to do is write the formula. Sigma, that will give you an idea how many columns you have to draw there. How many you will get? Sigma is h by n. What was sigma square? It was h square by n square into the term. So there you will have root of. So here it will become h by n into root of n into sigma Fi ui square minus Fi sigma Fi ui the whole square. Okay, this is your sigma. So you need Fui square, Fi into ui square. Remaining we have found out. Fi ui or Fi yi. Here we have written yi means yi. Doesn't matter, whatever you are writing here, you should use here also. Okay, yi. Next column. What you need? Yi square and Fi yi square. These are the two columns which you need. Find out yi square. 41014. Now Fi is this one and yi square is that 41 like that. Okay. So 15 into 4. How much you'll get? 15 into 4 is 60. Then 17 into 1 is 17. Then 21 into it is 0. Then 22 into 1, 22. And 25 into 4 is again 100. What is the sum of all these? 100 plus 22 plus 17 plus 60 will give you 199. Very good. Now replace. H. So sigma is h by n. Again, what is h? 4. What is n? 100. So it is 1 by 25 you'll get, right? 4 by 100 into root of n again is 100 into sigma Fi yi square is 199 minus sigma Fi yi the whole square. Sigma Fi yi means Fi yi's sum. So it is 25 whole square. Okay. So you are getting 1 by 25 into root of 1999 0, 0 minus this is 625. Again 1 by 25 into root of, what is the value which you are getting after subtracting? 19275. Now again you have to find out the square root of this. It is approximate value, you are not getting a complete thing. It is in decimals. It is 138.83. For this one, 138.83 by 25. And that will be again equal to 5.55. So this one you have to calculate by your square root method. The question is, mean and variance of 8 observations are given as 9 and 9.25. Mean is given, x bar is given as 9, and variance, which is sigma square, is also given as 9.25. And 6 observations are also given. Out of the 8 observations, 6 are given. You have to find out the remaining 2 observations. So let the 2 observations which we have to find out, let the remaining 2 observations be x and y, or you can just choose x1 and x2 also. Okay, observations be x and y. Now what is the meaning of mean? So you have to get 2 equations in 2 unknowns so that you can solve and find the value of x and y. That is the only thing. But you can use these 2 things. Okay, so what is this x bar? X bar is sum of all. X bar is equal to sigma xi by n. N, you know, 8 observations mean n is equal to 8, right? This is 8. Now what is this? X sigma xi. This is sum of all these terms together with which you have taken, all the 8 terms. So it is 6 plus 7 plus 10 plus 12 plus 12 plus 13 plus x plus y whole divided by 8. This is x bar, and this is what is given to be 9. So this much of value, how much you will get? 6 plus 7 plus till 13. What is the answer for that sum? Just calculate and tell. Are you getting 60? If you are getting 60, we can just replace x bar with 9 is equal to this much is 60 plus x plus y divided by 8, right? Till this we have added and written remaining x and y as such written by 8. Now you can just make an equation in x and y, that is cross multiplying. You will get 9 into 8, 72. So it is 72 is equal to 60 plus x plus y, or x plus y is equal to 72 minus 60. So this is actually one equation which you are getting containing x and y. Now using the next concept, we will find out another equation containing x and y. Okay. So what is the next concept, which is sigma square? Now by definition of sigma square, which definition we can use? That is what we are seeing. We can use sigma square, the definition as sigma xi square by n minus sigma xi by n the whole square. And this sigma xi by n is same as x bar. So you can use the value of x bar here. Sigma xi by n is what? Sigma xi by n. Sum of all observations divided by the total number of observations is x bar. So likewise you can just replace like this also. Minus x bar square. Okay. Now this value you know. This value you know. This also you know. What about this? What is the meaning of this one? Let's see. Sigma square can be replaced with 9.25 the whole square is equal to, the meaning of this is x1 square plus x2 square plus etc. plus xn square. How many observations you have? The square of those observations, and you are adding those observations, right? So first 6 you know. That means it is 6 square plus 7 square plus 10 square plus 12 square plus 12 square plus 13 square plus x square plus y square, which you have already taken as the unknowns, divided by, so this much is your sigma xi square, divided by n. N is 8 again, minus x bar is how much you got? It is given in the question 9. So that you can replace there, it is 9 square. Okay. This much is clear. Now you have you can take that 9 square to the other side, simplify, like that you can go. Okay. So 9.2 the whole square. Okay, no need to take whole square. This is sigma square alone, right? This is not standard division. This is given to be variance. So it is 9.25 alone. Okay, 9.25, and there you have minus 9 square. It is 81. So that 81 will come here and it will become 81 plus 9.25 is equal to the sum of all these 36 plus 49 plus 100 plus 144 plus 144 plus 169 plus x square plus y square divided by 8. So this term came here and became positive. Now 81 plus 9.25 will give you how much? How much the value is? Yes? 81 plus 90.25. This is equal to, here the sum of all these terms will give you how much? Just calculate. You have to get it to be 642 plus x square plus y square by 8. Again this 8 will go there and you will get 90.25 into 8 will give you 722 equal to 642 plus x square plus y square, right? This is divided by 8 here, and here it is x square plus y square. So that you are getting x square plus y square is equal to 722 minus 642. How much? 80. So one more equation containing x and y you got. So here you have one equation x plus y equal to 12, and the other equation is x square plus y square equal to 80. Now you need to solve these two. Now how to solve? Important thing which you have to know is x plus y the whole square plus x minus y the whole square is 2 into x square plus y square. Because we know this value and this value, we can find out what is x minus y. Okay, x plus y the whole square will give you 12 square plus x minus y the whole square we don't know equal to 2 into x square plus y square is 80. So here you will get 144 plus x minus y the whole square is equal to 160, or x minus y the whole square is equal to 160 minus 144. How much you are getting? 160 minus 144? It is 16. Now you are getting x minus y the whole square is 16. Now when it is 16, what will be x minus y? You will actually have two values for x minus y, which is either plus 4 or minus 4. That means you have to solve x plus y equal to 12 and x minus y equal to 4, as well as x plus y equal to 12 and x minus y equal to minus 4 also. Okay, both the ways. So here you have two equations, x minus y equal to 4 as well as x minus 4 is equal to minus 4. So this is the important concept which you need to take in order to get the value of x and y. Okay, now we are solving one and this one. This is your third equation, or you can just split and write it as either it will be 4 or x minus y is equal to minus 4. Okay, let it be your equation number 3 and this is equation number 4. So first we will solve equation number 1 and 3. That means when x plus y is 12 and x minus y is 4, what you are getting? Adding the two equations will give you 2x is equal to 16 or x is equal to 8, value of x. So at that case, what you will get, y will be 12 minus 8. In either of the equation you substitute, you will get y as 4. So x and y can be 8 and 4. The other way also you have to check, that is solving 1 and 4 also. So you will have x plus y equal to 12 and x minus y is equal to minus 4. Again, if you add, what you are getting, this will give you 8. Here you will get 2x. That means x is giving you 4 here. Okay. So x is 4 means what? If x is 4, you will get y as 12 minus 4, which is 8. So y is equal to 8. So the two numbers which you have will be 4 and 8. In both the cases, you are having this. Therefore, you can say the remaining two observations are 8 and 4. Order doesn't matter, you have to get only two values. So those two values are 8 and 4.